Well, all right, here we are. We're getting ready to go. Finishing up all of the last minute stuff to get out of here. The dog is being patient and waiting for us to get the heck out of here too. Oh, hi. Campfire band in Washington and in Idaho. So we are bringing the propane fireplace. So yeah, basically just getting everything together. We're about ready to take off. Couple hours. We have a couple things to do before we head out. Cool. Right on. Let's get out of here. This is a modest amount of camera gear, isn't it? You ready to roll, Abby? You ready to roll? Ready to take a trip? Let's do it. Abby dog, are you excited? Got to our first stop just outside of Priest Lake, and yeah, we're gonna kick it here. So we found this place on an app called Hip Camp, and basically it's somebody who owns the property and is gonna let us hang out here for the night. So we decided that we're going to we want to face that way when we walk out and where we hang out and stuff. So we're gonna position the trailer and do that stuff. Yeah, huh, babe? Yeah, that's nice.
So peaceful.
And everybody gets to finally meet Kat from Jane Cat. Hi. There's a look at our camp from the street. I wish we'd brought our hatchets. I might get my hatchet out.
I know.
Do some throwing. This is part of the property that we're on, and she did say that that's part of the property. So let's try. And then there's a boat launch, like right there. You can drive down there and launch a boat. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Not a bad spot for a night.
I think it's great.
Did you get him?
Get the fly. Where's the fly? Look at her. Go get it.
Wait, what?
Where's that fly? Oh, I did kind of knock it out in that one corner. Fly. Here.
Oh, shit.
Where's the fly? Go get it.
I'm gonna just whack my head.
Where's the fly? Where'd it go?
Go. Well, it's Friday morning, and sun's coming up. It's about 6:35, 7 o'clock. Smoky morning still. Pretty basic camping, man. It's just this site right here was just for an overnight. We didn't really do anything. We wanted to get out of the house a day early. Nice little spot. We're right along the Pend Oreille River. It's not a lot. It's just an open field. There aren't any, no running water, no sewer or anything like that. But if you got an RV or you're tent camping, pretty self-explanatory. Just do it dry. For a last minute campsite, I couldn't be beat, and for the price, couldn't be beat either. But we did have to get on our way. Beforehand, I had to check out this guy's model airplanes, of course. So we had to fill up some propane tanks before we get on our way. As we waited for Mom and Mike, play a little shuffleboard, and then we were on our way to Sullivan Lake.
butt rubs, huh, Sadie?
No.
Scratches on my booty.
Oh, yes.
Need the booty scratches. Booty scratches.
I'm bringing a knife along with us in case we run into a bear out there.
Okay.
What you got, bud?
Abby, you gonna get that chipmunk? Get it. Get that chipmunk.
Get that chipmunk, Baba.
Well, it's the last day that we're going to be here at Sullivan Lake, and it has been an uncharacteristically cool week, for us, 4 or 5 days. Typically, it's quite warm when we get up here, but we actually had a whole day of 60 degrees and rain, which was definitely nice because the next morning the smoky skies were kind of cleaned out, and it was a really, really nice hike yesterday. Tried to get some kayaking in the afternoon yesterday, but the winds picked up and just basically like ocean kayaking. It was not a lot of fun, especially with the dog on the kayak. So turned around, came back to camp. It is the last morning that we're going to be here, so we're just getting everything kind of in order here, have our morning coffee, watch the sun come up, get things kind of prepared and ready to pack up and roll out, and probably be out of here by around 11 o'clock for the drive back down south to Coeur d'Alene. Sullivan Lake Campground is run by the National Park Service, so it is federal land. Even at this current time, there's basically any of the state campgrounds in the state of Washington are closed, but this is a federal campground, U.S. Forest Service, so they're open. We're about 15 miles from the Canadian border and maybe about 15 miles from the Idaho border. So we're in the top right of the top left state. Beautiful area and one of the most pristine forest areas that you can find if you just want to get off the grid. And speaking of off the grid, don't expect to have any cell phone service when you're here. You will not be getting contact to the outside world. If that's what you're hoping for, come on out. It's a good place. Apparently the dog wanted to go visit the neighbors and our friends, so they've been over there. What did you do, dog? Come. Come. Come here. Come here. Come and say hi. So from me and Abby to all of you, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Give us a like, and we'll see you next time on the road again.